Hello, my name is Juan Zuniga, and I'm going to be giving a high-level overview of this project for completion of machine design fall 2023. First, some project constraints. The yellow, red, and blue buttons should only be pressed by a 2 by 1/2 by 1/4 piece of acrylic. A 12-volt DC motor must be used to move the linkage to the button pressing positions. The playing field has holes for mounting your linkage, and you must mount the linkage so it can stand on its own. The button location is known beforehand, and our total budget is $100. Next is a SolidWorks assembly showing you our mechanism. Please enjoy and see our final score at the end.